If you guys are new though, welcome. Welcome to the Syndicate program here in War Room. You're probably accustomed and maybe expecting to see Jason. So we're trying something new here, involving a lot of the team here. We have a team of traders that is here to help you be successful. Myself, Charles Miles, professional trader and trading coach. Akil Stokes, our head trading coach and educator and mentor for the 12-week transformation program, also runs our New York live room. And we have Jason Greystone, who runs the London live room for us. He was a prior student of ours last year in the 12-week transformation course with Akil. So it's great to have him on board as well. So we got a whole lot of people here. We got Mark Sedlock, who's over in our futures area here in the office, and he's running some new futures stuff for us. So it's really great. There's a lot of people here to help you guys. So we're trying to get that kind of exposure and let you guys see something different from all kinds of different angles, right? But don't forget that we've all been taught by the same people, right? Jason and Todd Brown, who founded Trade Empowered. So don't worry. We have consistent methodologies in how we're trading and what we're talking about. It's all been disseminated to all of us, being that the source is the same. So, all right, let's get into the charts. You guys should be able to see my screen all right. So I'm right here on New Zealand CAD. Now, I talked about this level yesterday. Looking at this, I said how much I really liked it and just couldn't wait and wanted to hope that there would be an opportunity. And there has been one. So we see that we've retested this area 3 times in the past. It's very well defined, and we've come back in to retest it as we saw yesterday here on the daily chart. If you're new, this is what we do. We use the daily chart as a higher time frame analysis for structure and what levels we can look at to get involved. And then we're using a trading time frame, which is the 60-minute chart. So trying to get that move and kind of get the entry signal. Now, we're not using daily chart locations or structure for targets or stops or things like that. You could certainly attempt to do that. However, we're trying to get enough activity here in War Room so that way you guys can see something just about every day. So we're using a lower time frame swing trading time frame like the 60 minutes. So a little more active, still swing trading, but we're trying to get some activity so you guys can see what's going on. Go ahead and fatten this up. You guys can see here that I'm already short at 95.26s here. We have a valid double top. We use our filter as we talk about. We've got our signal candle here where we went overbought on the RSI in this area, right? You can see the RSI is overbought down below. And then we come back and retest the highest close, which we have done, right? You can see that there. Get my arrow. Retested that here. And then we look at the RSI, and we should have some kind of divergence, whether that's bearish or bullish divergence. In this case, we have bearish divergence, ever so slight. And we had a big dip there with the actual oscillator with the RSI. So anyway, we do have the divergence that we're looking for with this to filter the double tops. This is how we do it, guys. We have a filter. There's a reason for it. So that way we can take hopefully more high probability trades. You can take double tops and double bottoms anywhere. You see them all over the place. But you want to take them at relative places in the market, like structure, maybe on a higher time frame chart or on the current time frame. And maybe you want to employ a filter like we do with the RSI. If you want to learn about how this double top filter thing works, make sure you watch the 2618 trade. 2618 training in your syndicate program, guys. It's right under the bonus section. If you didn't know that, right here, training course, bonus training, into the gray in 2618. We do have these on our website for free, but they're here for you to watch if you're part of the syndicate. So make sure you guys check that out. So we're short here, valid double top at previous structure. We already outlined the level. Stops are at 95.83s. Targets here at the bottom of this double bottom area. I've chosen to pick the location where we've had these 3 retests all converge at the same price level. So that's the price I've chosen. So I could accomplish that. However, we only trade 1 target here in the syndicate, but if you are a 2-target trader, which we would recommend you do, of course, if you've tested it, you will, in theory, in most cases, make more money by doing a 2nd target. You're really looking at this pink level down here, this pink box. That's really the next relevant structure level. If I look left here on the trading time frame that we've put in a couple times, right? We've retested that area here, here, here. We broke above there, new structure highs, retested that level. So definitely if you're doing a target 2, look in this area at around 93.18s. Not only that, it's coming into a even-handled number. Again, psychological numbers are important, guys, so keep that in mind. We're kind of just above the 9,500 area. So we'll see if we get down here. This is a counter trend trade, so I'm shooting for a decent target a little bit closer than maybe a trend continuation might be, since I am being contrarian here. So I want to make sure that we can get our targets in.